Stir-fried noodle dishes are a good way to use up whatever meat and vegetables you have in the fridge. Para dito sa Mickey Bihon, gumamit lang ako ng pork belly, Chinese sausage, and shrimp na chinap ko to small pieces. Feel free to use flaked chicken, fish balls, kikiam, or even liver. Sa vegetables naman, I use kung ano lang meron ako na celery, sayote, carrots, and shiitake mushrooms. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng cabbage, bagu beans, bean sprouts, and chicharo. Pagkagisa ng mga sangkap, nag-add ako ng water and Maggi chicken cubes, oyster sauce, pepper, at konting salt to season. Takpan at simmer lang hanggang maluto ang pork at almost tender na ang mga vegetables. Add ang soaked bihon and fresh Mickey noodles. Gumamit ng tongs at careful lang ang paghalo para iwas ma-break ang mga pansit. Adjust ang kulay at alat with soy sauce if needed. Continue to cook lang hanggang ma-absorb na ang broth at tender na ang mga noodles. Drizzle with sesame oil for another layer of flavor and aroma. Serve with some freshly squeezed lemon or calamansi juice and enjoy!